If you want your project management system to feel more organized and aligned with your brand, customizing your ProofHub Workspace is the first step. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your ProofHub Workspace step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and go to the main dashboard. From here, open the Settings or Admin panel where Workspace customization options are available. Now, go to the Company Settings section. Here, you can update your company name so your workspace reflects your organization properly. Next, upload your company logo. This logo will appear across your workspace and helps give your account a professional branded look. Now select a theme color that matches your brand identity. This changes the overall look and feel of your ProofHub interface. Next, adjust your date format, time format, and choose which day your week should start from. This helps keep scheduling consistent across your team. You can also manage workspace-wide email notifications. Turn them on or off depending on how often you want your team to receive updates. Now select your organization's working days. This helps ProofHub understand your weekly schedule and improves planning accuracy. If needed, you can improve security by enabling password policies or restricting access to specific IP addresses for your workspace. Once everything is customized, make sure to click Update or Save so your changes are applied across the entire workspace. And that's how to customize your ProofHub Workspace. Yeah, setting it up properly makes your team more productive and keeps everything aligned with your brand and workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.